Well,
I think we have a call, don't we?
We do. I was like, this is fascinating being in between these two veterans here. But we do want to get to the phones and take your questions. And we've got GW is holding for us from Macon. Hi, GW. Can you hear us okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, go ahead with your question for us tonight.
My question is that I was put out of the military by a drill sergeant that me and him had a confrontation about me having phone duty one night, and his girlfriend called her, and she refused to let me hang up. So the next day, I was told that since I wanted to talk to his girlfriend, that he was going to get me dismissed from the military. Least did I know then that I think they said President Reagan or somebody had signed a document saying that if they felt like somebody shouldn't be in the military at that time, send them home. Or if somebody wanted to go home, go home. I didn't want to go home, but I was sent home, and I, to this day, don't know why.
GW, is there a question there somewhere about a disability, or is this an axe you have to grind over the way you were?
Well, my question is because I'm not service connected, where do I stand as far as who do I need to talk to about my situation?
Let me ask you this: what does your discharge say? You honorably discharged?
I'm honorable discharged after. I think they changed it when I got out. I'm thinking that they said maybe I got out on an uppers or whatever it was, but I have an honorable discharge.
Well,
but I don't get nothing. But I don't get nothing from the military but medical.
If you had an other than honorable discharge, I mean, admittedly, there is a difference in the perspective from the VA's point of view, but I'd rather Reagan weigh in on that.
Sure. If it was an other than honorable discharge that was not by a general court-martial, the VA is going to determine whether that discharge was due to some sort of misconduct, in which case if they make that negative finding, you would not be entitled to VA benefits. If you have a general or higher, then you would be entitled to VA benefits if you had an injury or some sort of disability that started during your service. Now, you don't need an actual diagnosis, you just need onset of symptoms during service, but you would need some sort of disability that began during service, chronicity since that time, and then a current disability today.
So I hope that is helpful information for you, GW.